Okay. So where do you buy this, Jamie?
From a Walmart.
Walmart. Okay, so she bought this in Walmart.
Let's open it.
No, well, let's see what you think it's gonna have. Okay, show the picture. Ooh, who's that?
That's a girl.
Wow, what is she wearing?
She's wearing a girl's costume.
What kind of costume? What do you think it is?
It's science.
Science. So she's gonna be like a doctor?
No.
Oh, you're gonna just do like an experiment, right? Because she's wearing goggles. You see that on top of her head?
Yeah.
Goggles, and she's wearing everything to do her
It's stickers.
experiment. All right.
Stickers.
Okay, you want to open it? Oh, well, let's show the name. It says Ada. It says here, Ada Twist
Okay.
and Scientist. So she is a scientist. Okay, you want to open it?
But she don't have parents.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
You
need help?
She only has friends.
Okay.
Open it.
Whoa! So you gotta wear this?
Yeah, I want to wear it down.
Okay, let's see.
This is her.
So I'm trying to help her. Let's see. Look what she has inside. She's gonna wear this.
So excited.
Oh yeah, she's so excited. Let's see. Okay, here you go.
Goggles. Goggles. Yeah.
So you're gonna be the scientist. That's gonna be your costume for today. Gonna be okay. Show them what it has. So it has goggles and let's try to get this thing. Yes, it has.
And the camera broke it.
Yeah, we're trying to get this out.
Yeah, the camera broke it.
Okay, so here's the costume.
Yeah.
Just show it to them.
Look.
Sure. Look what it looks like. Wow. So she wants to wear it. Let's see, Mrs. Scientist.
Yeah, I like to be science.
You're gonna make some experiments. Oh, what is this inside? What it looks like?
That's her clothes.
Yeah, look, it's cute, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I like it, like a dress, beautiful dress.
Right
Let's
here,
see.
go to the Oh, take a glove.
Okay.
Put on the glove. Why do you take the glove? What do you have?
So she's getting ready to wear it. Let's see, it goes like this. Let me see. Are we doing it right? Let me look at the picture. Where is this? Can you put your hand inside? Okay, you got stuck? Okay. Does it fit? Okay, I think we're stuck. Wait, why are we stuck? Let's see why we're stuck. Scientist. Okay, let me look. We're having some issues here with the with the thread. Okay, let me check. All right, wait. Let me look. No, let's check again. Why this one is good and this one, what happened here? It's not open? Let me see what happened. Oh, because it's like inside. Oh, I see what happened. This goes in front. Yeah, we're doing it wrong. So it has this Velcro. You open it, and then she has to like go inside. So let's go like this. Like this.
It's getting really fun.
Yes.
Can we pretend like a doctor?
Yes, you're a scientist. Now you put it like this, and it looks like your dress with the Velcro. You see, it goes inside. So, you see, let me do all the Velcro. So it has the Velcro inside. Let's see the, oh, here we go. We put it together. And now let's fix it. Mr. Scientist. Oh, there's some, let me see. Okay, this is open now. Now it's better. And there's some things right here too. Yeah, it has some tags on the sleeves. So, let's see, wait a minute. We have to do it, okay. This goes on top. One, so it has one Velcro.
Yeah.
The second one is here, so they look like a dress.
Yeah.
And then the last Velcro is right here. Wow, beautiful dress you have, Jamie. Now you look like a doctor.
I was scientist.
Okay, so sit down so they can see you. Wow, oops. Okay, here we go. We have a tentacle. All right, so she's ready with her
Bobby
goggles.
has some gloves.
Come on.
Can you give me some gloves, Bobby?
Yeah, we're gonna help you. I'm just gonna put it in your head. Like some
Yes,
glasses.
sir.
Wow, she's getting ready. She's turning into a scientist.
Bobby, this.
Okay.
I'm so
You excited?
Yes.
Okay, so your first glove. Just go on this hand.
excited.
Open. You have to open your fingers wide, like wide open. 5 fingers. Okay, let's look for the fingers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers in. Ooh, you look fancy.
Yeah.
Okay, now you have 1. Oh, I think we have some stuff that we need to take that out. Let me see. Oh no, you're right. That's like your protection. And
I'm so excited.
let's make sure that you have. Oh wait a minute. I think we do have something inside. Oh yeah. Yeah, it has cardboard.
It's cardboard.
Yeah, so it doesn't wrinkle.
Ah, I can
Okay.
do it.
Now this is what we find inside the gloves. So you take it out. Now it's better. Okay, here we go.
I feel like her now.
Let's see.
There you go. So still some cardboard inside. Okay, here you go. Open your fingers wide open.
Yeah.
Then you have 1.
2.
Okay. Let's open your fingers so we don't lose one. So we have.
I'm gonna go like.
3,
Mama gonna
4.
go like that.
Okay, so here's your other finger, and now you push it in. Okay, I think you're missing one. We have 2 fingers in one
Ah.
spot. So yeah, let's see. Okay, push it in. Okay, now this is good. I think this one has the cardboard. Let's do it again. Okay, let's take all the cardboard. Okay, oh, it doesn't have cardboard. It just has 1 piece.
That's a
Okay, so now,
What is this?
yeah, it's cardboard, so it doesn't get wrinkled. Okay, let's put it in the
that's
store.
like silicone.
So it looks perfect for
That's
the
gonna be like a
scientist.
science.
Wow, look how you looking now.
I got this.
So what else can we find here?
I got this.
Yeah, it looks like she got some
Yeah, I'll put it in my head.
English card, probably what you're gonna talk about. You're gonna talk about ladybug. You're gonna talk about,
What?
yeah, right here, ladybug. You see?
They're like ladybugs.
Yes.
Ladybugs are birds. I got them excited. That-
Mhm. Let me get some thing to open this thing.
You don't want though. Yeah. But it don't breathe.
Okay, I'm trying
I
to
don't
help.
cut it.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to open this thing. Mhm.
Wait.
Yeah, you can use scissors to
I
open
stole
it.
something right behind me.
You saw something behind you?
Yeah.
What was it?
It was so
A mosquito?
No, it was so behind me.
Oh, maybe it's my picture behind you.
Maybe it's haunted.
No, let me fix it. Oh, there you go. You're looking like half of your head. Okay, show your pictures. Look what we got here. We have the world. We have question mark because we're gonna do some experiment. We don't know what's gonna happen. And then
Ah! I just stole it. I
saw
was right
something?
behind. I
okay.
stole something right behind.
So you
This
have, this is
something?
for your hair. Look how cute is this. You can
Put
put it
it
in
on.
your hair. Let's put it right here so you can see it. Ooh, you look cute. Okay, so that's just it for today. So who are you today, Miss Jamie?
I'm a scientist.
And what are you gonna be doing?
I don't think you're gonna do
You don't want that. Oh, yeah, you don't like the goggles?
like the girl.
So what are you gonna be doing?
I'm gonna be doing science test.
Oh, nice.
That's funny. That.
We're gonna be doing an